Welcome back to Taraj's Toolbox. Today we're going to do a review on the Milwaukee m12 Jigsaw. Here you go. This is what it looked like. Now they got the m12 version and they got the m18 version. I got the m12 version because I just got the m12 version. So this is my first time using it, and we're gonna see exactly how powerful it is. So first I'm going to put in the blade. I didn't even read the instructions, guys, so I don't really know how this blade goes in here. So we're gonna learn together. Okay, it's a lever on the front. You see how smart I am, guys? It's a lever on the front. You turn it to the side like this to put the blade in. And then once you get it in, you let it go. And oh, guess I didn't turn it far enough. Put it in, you let it go, and then it's locked. Locked and loaded, baby. So after you get the blade in, then you put the battery in. Pretty good. Today's project, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this mirror out, and we're gonna see if the m12 can cut it without the battery dying. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut a circle around here, and we're gonna make this dresser mirror into a circular mirror. So I'm gonna go around here. We're gonna get started. As we can see, we're down to 2 notches right now with the battery indicator. You can see it right here, the light. So we'll see if we can make it through the whole piece of mirror without dying on us. By the way, I'm using a Bosh jigsaw blade. If you want one, you get one with the link in the description. And also, I got on the Taraj's Toolbox t-shirt. You want to get one of these t-shirts? Link in the description. You can buy one from the website. Forgot to tell y'all, make sure you wear your safety glasses. Yeah. And it actually cut it off without dying. We still got 2 notches left on there, so it's not bad. It's not something you could use all day, but if you had to use a jigsaw that was battery operated and small, this would be all right to use. I'll take it on the work site. So, and if you look at the cut, it's pretty smooth. It didn't overheat or anything. It's pretty all right. Pretty all right. So, That was my review on the M12 Jigsaw. This one is item 2445-20. You want to get one? Click on the link in the description. Go to Amazon. And if you want the t-shirt, click on the link in the description on my website and you can purchase the t-shirt. If you want the swag shades, you can't get those. That ain't for sale. But make sure y'all subscribe. Yeah.
Hey baby, what it's gonna be? You talking to him or you talking to me? Got no time to play games, better check my ID. I'm trying to be the one, not nobody's side piece. Hey baby, what it's gonna be? You talking to him or you talking to me? Got no time to play games, better check my ID. I'm trying to be the one, not nobody's side piece. I'm a one-woman man, girl, why you be playing? It seems like I'm competing with that phone in your hand. You be texting so much, you exalted your plan. Gigabytes, megabytes, posting selfies again. I bet you feel like a star getting likes from your fans. But they don't like you like I like you, they just stiff in the pants. You got them drooling on their phone with your bow-legged stand. You say you don't pay him no mind, but you read what they say. Hey baby, what it's gonna be? You talking to him or you talking to me? Got no time to play games, better check my ID. I'm trying to be the one, not nobody's side piece. Hey baby, what it's gonna be? You talking request to him or you talking to me? Got no time to play games, better check my ID. I'm trying to be the one, not nobody's side piece. Miss Instagram queen, Miss Facebook fiend. Hashtag that Miss got a fat T. Miss most wanted, why they hating on me? Miss can't figure out how she got it in her jeans. Miss woman of your dreams, post so many pics, it be filling up my feed. New hairdo, hashtag on fleek. Like to get a lot of likes, but never give any. Hundreds of friend requests, most of them pending. What it's gonna be? You talking to him or you talking to me? Got no time to play games, better check my ID. I'm trying to be the one, not nobody's side piece. Hey baby, what it's gonna be? You talking to him or you talking to me? Got no time to play games, better check my ID. I'm trying to be the one, not nobody's side piece. Girl, this my last time, I'm making up my mind. I'm supposed to come first, but I'm waiting in the line. Even though you're fine, I'm leaving you behind. And you can give the internet all your precious time. So don't you get upset if I'm with another girl and you be still stuck up in your little internet. Oh, hashtag that, your ex ain't never coming back. 'Cause you addicted to the phone, gotta have it like it's crack. Hey baby, what it's gonna be? You talking to him or you talking to me? Got no time to play games, better check my ID. I'm trying to be the one, not nobody's side piece. Hey baby, what it's gonna be? You talking to him or you talking to me? Got no time to play games, better check my ID. I'm trying to be the one, not nobody's side piece. Hey baby, what it's gonna be? You talking to him or you talking to me? Got no time to play games, better check my ID. I'm trying to be the one, not nobody's side piece. Hey baby, what it's gonna be? You talking to him or you talking to me? Got no time to play games, better check my ID. I'm trying to be the one, not nobody's side piece.